Sharad Kohli, economist, is joining us on the broadcast. Sharad, this is of course a big rebound that has been seen by the Adani Group after that report of Hindenburg came out first. What has caused the rebound?
Well, there have been two factors, Uday. One is the bullish trend in the stock markets, which we've been witnessing for the last few months. That has contributed its own part because, any group stocks to rise does need a positive market sentiment. That's one. But more important is the fact that Adani Group, both from SEBI and the the committee which was formed by Supreme Court and then the Supreme Court by itself, they have all not come up with anything which is negative. They say that we have a good reason to trust what SEBI has found out. So I think, for me, if you ask me, this has been a blessing in disguise for Adani because the whole process has been cleaned up. It has a trimmer debt portfolio now. The number of loans that Adani had taken, it has repaid so many of them. The shareholding structure looks more streamlined now. The communication between the management and the shareholders is more often. The investors have learned their lesson. And with about $50–60 billion more to go back to the level which it was before this Hindenburg thing happened, I think it's a matter of time. And I feel even if it is lesser than that, at least Adani is now on a very strong platform. All the accusations which were being levied, those accusations have not come true. And I think after those accusations, Adani has come out stronger. It has come out to be more thoughtful. And the balance sheet has been cleaned up. Some of the allegations, like those shady deals in offshore companies and so, nothing substantial has been found. Basically, the accusation of round tripping of the money, nothing substantial has been found. So I think it's been a blessing in disguise for Adani. They've come out cleaner, they've come out stronger, and I'm sure they've got a bright future. They've won new contracts internationally and locally. They are now making more airports. They won contracts in Middle East. There have been so many positive developments. So I must say that Adani Group has held its fort very, very cleverly, very strongly, and very sensibly too.
Sharad, thank you very much for joining us with your perspective on that story. In other news now, in response to attacks by